dolls, welcome back to my channel. Can I call you dolls? I know the Kardashians say dolls, but I'm not associated with the Kardashians in any way. So we're just gonna go with it until someone says otherwise. Yeah, so anyways, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a hot minute since I've posted. There's been so much going on lately that I just haven't had time, honestly. You know, a lot going on with life and work and things like that, and unfortunately this isn't full-time for me right now, so I can only do this in the time where I'm not working and not living my life. And I'm not really living life either, so not much has been excused, but I've just been super busy. So today's video is going to be how I do my wings for my looks. My friend Nichole has been asking me for a while now, hey, how do you do your eyeliner? Show me how to do your liner. You should do a video. So this video is for you, Nichole, because you've been asking. It took me a while to kind of do this video, mostly because before I was using felt tipped liners, the pens and stuff, and I kept feeling like it was kind of caving into itself and not working out great for me. But I recently started using the Wet n Wild H2O proof liquid eyeliner, and this is a savior. It also has a felt tip on it, but it's stumpier and thicker, so it doesn't cave into itself and it's more sturdy. So this is what I'm going to be using today, and it's probably what you're going to see in every video from now on, because I love Wet n Wild products, and this one is the best by far that I've ever tried for winged eyeliners. So without further ado, let's get going. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and then this holds a lot of product, honestly, and I don't know if you can see just how much it holds, but the first time I tried using this, I got it all over the place because I didn't realize how much there was. So I just kind of swirl it around the top of this, get off the excess, you know, not a big deal. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually just create a line from my inner corner to my outer corner. It's not going to be a very thick line, and it's going to be a little messy because it's just a sketch for now. So I'm going to grab my little mirror, and this is where we're going to get started. Just drawing a little line. All right, so that's basically all I do to begin, and the next part I do is I actually draw my flick for my wing. I don't know, I've seen some other people do it where they do their whole front and then they add the wing, and I find that that doesn't work for me. So what I do is I map it out just like this, and then I determine, do I want it to come straight out like this direction? Do I want it to go up? 95% of the time I'm going to flick it up towards my eyebrows, so that's what I'm going to do today, just because I feel like it makes it a really sleek curve for my eye shape. So again, you want to map it out. All right, that's where it's going to be. And I actually start a little lower, so most people follow their lower lash line up, and I've seen so many people start right at the corner and go up as if they're going from their waterline. I start a little beneath that where my lash line actually starts, because I do like to bring it down along the bottom as well. It just makes it seamless, it feels for me, rather than like, oh, there's a noticeable like dip and then up because of the wings. So that's what we're gonna do today. Just gonna start right here, and I'm gonna slowly, in little tiny little sketches up. That way I'm not just, oh nope, that's not gonna work, you know. So little sketches up. And we're gonna go about there. It's almost to my eyebrow, but not quite there. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the top part of the wing. Now, I'm not going to start from the inner and go out again. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start from about right here on this wing. And I'm going to attach it and bring it in. That way it doesn't have such a blunt end to it, and it's really just wispy towards the end. And I'm going to come across and connect it over here. So right about here. And I'm going to start little tiny sketch strokes, and I'm going to need a little extra of the eyeliner, dip again, and get off all of the excess and do my sketching. And we're bringing it in towards the middle of my eye, and we connect right about here, okay? So now I do kind of have like a blunt end where it tapered off, so I'm just gonna fix that right here on the edge and go towards the end of the flick so that it looks like, you know, it swoops. And taper it off for my flick, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of thicken the lines up and fill in the center. All right, so there you have the flick, and because I brought it down, what I like to do is take this along my lower lash line and just kind of bring it all together. Just like that. And then sometimes if I'm feeling a little extra, which we all know I can do, I go along the inner corner and bring it out just a little to extend that line. And there you have it. That is how I do my eyeliner. It's pretty simple. That's actually the fastest I can do it when I'm doing a tutorial, but I wouldn't be able to do it this sleek without this eyeliner. So thank you, Wet n Wild, for developing, you know, such a great product. I absolutely love it, and I don't think I'm ever going to change my products for my eyeliner now. If you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like me, please follow my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to me on Twitter, Snapchat, and Instagram. I do try to post every time I post a video, also my day-to-day life. If you guys have a video request, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I'm Chantel, and I'll see you next time.